Imagine a small Italian town where the echoes of World War II still linger. Here, a story of unwavering loyalty and love unfolds, starring Fido, the faithful dog. Picture this. Every morning, as the sun peeked through the Tuscan hills, Fido, a sprightly mixed breed, would trot alongside Carlo, a kind-hearted factory worker. Together, they'd reach the bus stop where Fido would watch Carlo disappear into the bus with a solemn promise to return. Even after the tragedy of 1943, when an air raid claimed Carlo's life, Fido's routine didn't waver. He returned to the bus stop every evening, his eyes fixed on the dusty road, his heart holding on to hope. For 14 years, through rain and shine, Fido's vigil continued, his presence a poignant reminder of love that defies even death. Moved by his steadfast spirit, the townspeople of Borgo San Lorenzo embraced Fido, caring for him, sharing in his silent watch. And today, a statue stands in that very spot, not just of bronze, but of memories and eternal loyalty, ensuring that Fido's story, his undying devotion, will forever touch our hearts.